So I'm in San Antonio at the new Aiden by Best Western boutique hotel, and I don't have all the lights on in the room, but you kind of get an idea. It's a pretty nice room, pretty unique hotel. I'm going to zoom in on the TV. This place pretty much has all the bells and whistles. I'm going to power the TV on, so you should see it start to flash here in just a second. There we go. And instantly the interface comes up. See if I can zoom in just a little bit more on this. So the interface comes up. If I hit enter on my remote control, notice as you use the arrows to go left and right, you get drop-down menus that tell you what the features are of the hotel. If I go down to attractions and hit enter, it'll tell me what is around locally that's downtown. I didn't go outside downtown in building this. And we'll go down to restaurants, and you see what the coffee shop is in the lobby here, and then the three closest restaurants, and then there's a QR code that you can scan and get Yelp restaurants that are right around downtown. I'm going to skip over Watch TV for right now. We're going to go to Aiden location, since this is a new brand that Best Western has launched, and you know, they're not like 9,000 of them nationwide, country, globally. You can click or scan that QR code and you get a list of locations around the world, and they do have them around the world already. Now I'm going to go back up to Watch TV. You notice it's pretty instant that the page for the electronic program guide pops up, but it takes about 8 seconds for the guide to populate, because you're programming in 2 days worth of guide data for 160 or 168 channels here. And I can scroll down a page at a time, or I can direct access. If I want to, let's direct access, say channel 25, and you'll see that the TV will go instantly to 25. If you want to watch that channel, double click on your enter button on your remote. It'll pull that up instantly, and then you'll get a banner that tells you what you're watching, what the start time, stop time is, and it actually tells you, even though it wasn't on Newsmax there, tells you what's actually on right now. So from there, if you want to go back to the portal or to the guide, you would hit portal or guide, and you'd be right back to the guest user interface.